Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping your character and stabilizing the camera. This ensures inputs register. On PC, press ESC. On Xbox or PlayStation, press the Start or Options button. If you are in a cutscene, press the same button twice or hold it briefly to skip into menu access. Make sure multiplayer transitions finish so the pause command isn't blocked. Once the pause menu opens, you'll see tabs for inventory, map, settings, and online. We'll dive into the next steps to navigate them efficiently. Once the menu is visible, navigate using arrow keys, the controller D-pad, or your mouse for precision. Move to the Map tab to set a waypoint by highlighting a location and pressing Enter or A. This helps planning. Visit the Inventory or Interaction menu to change weapons, equip armor, or call services. This is where loadouts and personal options live. Make sure to check settings. If prompts aren't working, controls can be remapped. After adjustments, resume play with the same button you used to open the menu. To finish, confirm any selections and exit the menu with the same key or button you used to open it. Pressing back or B cancels changes. If the menu refuses to appear, check that overlays like Steam or Discord aren't capturing inputs, and verify your controller or keyboard bindings in settings. When inputs still fail, quit to desktop and relaunch the game. This clears many transient issues. One key troubleshooting tip: reconnect the controller and test it in your OS or console menus before restarting GTA V.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.